Ever pondered the secrets of sweet-talking a bee into parting with its precious honey? Well, wrap your mind around this. It's not exactly a walk in the park. Imagine being a bee. You're buzzing around, minding your own beeswax, when suddenly a human in a white suit and a funny hat comes strolling into your territory. You'd be a bit miffed, wouldn't you? But fear not. This isn't a tale of bee napping or grand theft, honey. It's more of a mutual agreement. Picture this. A beekeeper, also known as an apiarist if you're feeling fancy, strolls into the apiary, which, for the uninitiated, is a bee's version of a high-rise apartment complex. The beekeeper, dressed in a suit that wouldn't look out of place on the moon, is about to embark on a sweet mission. First, the beekeeper sends a gentle puff of smoke into the hive. No, it's not for a bee-sized barbecue. The smoke acts as a calming agent, causing the bees to gorge on honey in preparation for a potential hive move. It's like a fire drill with an all-you-can-eat buffet. Next comes the frame removal. This is where our beekeeper needs a steady hand and a cool head. Each frame is a library of waxy hexagons, each one brimming with golden, sticky honey. The beekeeper carefully lifts each frame, inspecting it like a precious artifact. Now you might be wondering, how does one go from a frame full of honey to the sweet stuff you drizzle on your pancakes? Well, the beekeeper takes the frame to a contraption known as an extractor. It's like a merry-go-round for honey frames. The extractor spins the frames, flinging the honey out through the power of centrifugal force. But wait, we're not done yet. This honey is raw and full of bits of wax and the odd bee wing, so it's strained through a fine mesh to give you the pure golden honey we all know and love. And there you have it. From bee to bottle, the sweet, sticky journey of honey. But remember, next time you're enjoying a dollop of honey on your toast, spare a thought for the hardworking bees and the fearless beekeepers who brave the hive for your sweet treat. So the next time someone says you're not the bee's knees, just tell them about your newfound beekeeping knowledge. You might not be able to sweet talk a bee, but at least you'll have a honey of a story to tell.